stunning 46% returns in 2023. If you had invested 1 lakh in this fund, your money would have more than tripled. 4 consistently top performing small cap mutual funds to invest in 2024. Nifty Small Cap 250 Index has given stunning 46% returns in 2023. This means 1 lakh rupees invested in Nifty Small Cap Index on January 1, 2023 would have become 1,46,000 by the end of the year. Whereas the Mid Cap Index Nifty Mid Cap 150 grew by 40% and the Large Cap Index Nifty 50 delivered 17% returns in the same time period. Clearly, small caps have outperformed with significant margin. But if you feel that you have missed the bus, don't worry, we have got you covered. Hello and welcome to our channel 5 Minute Finance by ET Money, where we talk about the basics of personal finance. Continuing with our series of best mutual funds for 2024, today we'll share with you a list of 4 consistently top performing small cap mutual funds to invest in 2024. But before giving out the names, let's quickly understand what small cap funds are, where they invest and who should or should not invest in them. So small cap funds invest at least 65% of their assets in small companies. Now small companies are the ones that rank from 251 and below in terms of their market capitalization. Market capitalization is a measure of size of a company. Well, small cap funds are like a wild roller coaster in the investing world and they are not the best choice for beginners. So go for these funds only if you are a very aggressive investor and you understand the risks of investing in small companies. Also, you should have at least 7 years in hand if you want to invest in them. So mind your risk appetite before investing in them, and if you're still unsure about the suitability, you may take the investor personality assessment on the ET Money app. You'll have to answer a few questions which hardly takes a few minutes, and it will guide you well to select the right investments as per your needs. Now let me briefly take you through the process of finding out the best small cap funds. So we started with assigning ET Money rank to each equity mutual fund in the small cap category. Now ET Money rankings are based on 2 factors: consistency of returns, which means the funds should have been among the top performers, should have done well consistently over the years. And the second factor is protection from volatility, which means how consistently the fund has been among the least volatile funds in its category over the years. Basically, the purpose was to find out how consistently a fund has performed well while also ensuring protection against volatility. So, a fund with the most consistent returns and most consistent protection from volatility over the years got the top rank. Next, we examined the monthly ET Money rank of the mutual fund schemes and categorized them based on their quartile rankings. Now, we did this exercise for 11 months in 2023. Then we refined our selection by focusing on the funds that consistently maintained their position in quartile 1 over the maximum number of months. Quartile 1 means the top 25% of performers. So these multiple layers of filters helped us find out the consistently top performing small cap mutual funds. Now let's look at the best funds in the small cap category. Nippon India Small Cap Fund is the largest small cap fund holding assets worth 41,019 crore rupees. It has delivered an annualized return of 26.93% since its launch. Now, it has got an excellent 5 out of 5 stars for consistency of returns on ET Money. If you had invested 1 lakh in this fund 5 years ago, your money would have more than tripled to 3,46,000 rupees today. And if you had done a monthly SIP of 10,000 rupees in this fund, you would have accumulated 14,61,000 rupees. SBI Small Cap Fund manages assets worth 22,895 crores. It is the third biggest fund in the small cap category. SBI Small Cap Fund has grown by a CAGR of 25.94% since its inception. It has received 4.5 stars for protection against volatility but an average rating of 3.5 stars for consistency of returns. So if you had invested 1 lakh rupees in SBI Small Cap Fund 5 years ago, it would have almost tripled your money to 2,98,000 today. Amazing, no? And a 10,000 rupees SIP would have grown to a massive 11,87,000 rupees. Kotak Small Cap Fund has delivered an annualized return of 21.05% since its inception. It has received an amazing 4-star rating for consistency of returns and 4.5 stars for protection against volatility. The fund currently manages assets worth 13,377 crore. So if you had invested 1 lakh rupees in Kotak Small Cap Fund 5 years ago, your money would have become over 3x at 3,29,000 rupees. And a monthly SIP of 10,000 in this fund would have made you a massive corpus of 12,76,000 rupees. Coming to the last but not the least, Quant Small Cap Fund. Most of the Quant funds are topping the returns charts. Same is the case with Quant Small Cap Fund. This fund has grown by a CAGR of 18.54% since its launch. It manages assets worth 11,207 crores. Now, it has received 5 out of 5 stars for consistency of returns, but little lower for protection against volatility with 2 stars. Coming to the performance, rupees 1 lakh invested in this fund 5 years back would have become huge 4 lakh rupees today. And 10,000 rupees invested monthly through SIPs would have resulted into a corpus of 17,16,000 rupees. So what are you waiting for? Go to the ET Money app and begin your financial journey today itself. ET Money allows you to invest in mutual funds at 0% commissions for absolutely free. Also, we have already created the best funds videos for other popular categories of equity mutual funds. You may check them out. The links are in the description. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues who are looking for some guidance on consistent top-performing funds to start their investments.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.